Okay, okay, we're here. Anong pangalan mo? What's your name? Chantal. What's your surname? What's your full name? Okay, you just calm down. We were going to help you, okay? Okay, okay. Tulungan niyo, tulungan niyo. Okay, you cooperate with us. Careful, careful. You go with them. Uy, mag-ready ka na pagkain dyan. You go there, Chantal. On the open area. There, you wear your slippers. Bigyan niyo ng pagkain. You eat. You just wear that. Kainin. You eat first. This picture, is this you?
That picture is me.
And your name is?
Chantal.
Okay. So this is Chantal Anicoche. Is this you, Chantal, in the picture?
Yeah. What is that picture?
Is this you in the picture? Pakita mo yung picture, pakita mo.
What's that picture about?
On the picture, is that you in the picture? Chantal Anicoche?
But I don't know what that is.
We're just trying to your identity, if that's much on the picture. You want rice? We have rice here. Rice. Yes. Kanin.
Kapag kunay, kunin mo noy. Meron doon ako day. Kapag kunay, ayun o.
Kanin. You want rice? We have rice here. Rice.